Hi, I'm Zoe and I'm in 4th grade.
Hi, I'm Logan and I'm in 6th grade.
Hi, I'm Ari and I'm in 7th grade. We made the robot by making the different parts and putting them together as a group.
This year we were able to accomplish more with the robot's arm than we did last year when we used EV3. The arm was better on Spike Prime and we learned how to use the program Scratch to code the new robot missions.
Our robot was a driving base with sensors where we could add attachments that moved up and down. We made arm attachments to help us push things to complete missions. One we didn't end up using was the Rhino attachment, but we tested it on some missions. We used the bulldozer arm.
This year, we all learned how to code on Scratch. This is Logan teaching Zoe what each step means since it's her first year.
When you download the code onto the robot will follow the code you wrote. We told the robot to dance and it danced. We tried to string all the code together, but the alignment of the robot to move from one mission to the next didn't work for our strategy. For this mission, Robot Dance, Hatman hits the floor. Logan added arrows as code so it would be displayed on the screen after the Robot Dance to celebrate the end of the Robot 1.
Our mission program names: Push Hatman, Mission 1. Hatman gets buff, Mission 2. Hatman go wee, Mission 6. Hatman hits the floor, Mission 7. Hatman rebuilds civilization, and Hatman draws an egg, Mission 8. We named all our missions after funny inside jokes just like last year. The code on the right is Hatman draws an egg. We added this mission after feedback from the judges that we needed to move the cubes for Boccia to the other table.
When we coded the step counter mission, at first the robot went too fast and it got stuck and didn't work. It only worked half the time. After adjusting the code, testing it over and over, we then made it work all the time, and we have included it in every robot run we have done. Here is our code for the step counter mission. You will notice smiley faces we made on the robot display because it's funny and Hatman was working out. We included the name Hatman after the innovation project geocache that has a Hatman.
We worked together and made a lot of glorious codes for our missions. We have 3 people on our team and we are all helping to make this slideshow too. Mission strategy.
As we put together the mission models, the team discussed what would be the best mission to try first. We decided to pick missions that gave a good amount of points and didn't take too long to code.
Push Hatman was our first mission to be coded successfully. We then added health units to the innovation project on Robot Run 3 to increase our points. We had the pull-up bar mission in one of our first robot runs, but had to cut it from our strategy to make room for other missions.
Missions we weren't able to code correctly and we decided not to do, and instead made code for other missions. For example, we tried mission 11 treadmill, but could not get the wheels to move the treadmill.
We redid our strategy after Robot Run 2 to include Boccia, but had to cut out other missions so that we didn't go over the time limit.
We successfully coded more missions than we anticipated, and we were overjoyed when we completed our robot runs. We tested and tested where to start the robot.
This is our innovation project mission model. It is a compass for geocaching, and in the box is the famous Hatman.
Thank you!